Welcome to Gifnote, the app that gives you thousands of curated song clips and GIFs. See what's trending now, or explore our lists by category to find the perfect one. Gifnote's AI matches songs to every GIF so you can find the perfect pair in seconds. When you've made your ideal GIF note, share it with a tap. You can even create and share GIF notes right in text conversations. Anyone can use Gifnote with our web app on a laptop, desktop, Android, or iOS device. Just visit gifnote.com to make and share GIF notes in seconds. And if you find a song you love, you can stream it with a tap. You can even create your own GIF notes using videos from your phone. Gifnote scans your video and suggests song clips based on its content. Gifnote puts hundreds of thousands of fully licensed songs at your fingertips. Gifnote. Sound on.